All right, it's Friday, December 15th. Just following up on Netflix, I decided to essentially exit at break even on this trade, slightly small gain. But after this breakout on bar number four, this thing really should have worked up higher. It definitely had a target to these pre-market highs. That was kind of an inflection point. I wanted to see it really kind of get through there, hold, and then follow up. I had an order to scale out here. I bought at the lower blue line. I was trying to scale out the upper blue line, and then it just kind of paused and headed lower again. So 1 minute chart here. Here was the breakout. It had two chances to head up. Then it was pausing, and now it's kind of not doing that. So that inflection point at the pre-market highs was kind of a key area to me. I still like the stock to the upside if it holds the midpoint of that first bar in terms of the structure today, but it's just not acting like it really should have, given this 2 bar pause and the breakout there. Should have been just a nice pause here and headed up to set me up for a no risk trade. Anyway, so I just exited, bought the stock here at 471.62. I was trying to scale out at 473.60, 2 points higher. It didn't get there. So I just exited 471.76 for an overall little gain, but essentially break even. I might miss it. It might head up higher, but again, when I see the pre-market highs here as it's kind of a first target, and then at that point, I really want to see it. It should have broken through there. Like I said, in terms of to some of those bigger picture targets. Instead, it's kind of pausing a little bit. So I don't want to take a chance on this one. And I'll, again, if it holds on a pullback, holds the midpoint here, the first bar starts up again, I could give a re-entry, because in the big picture, there's still, like I said, on the weekly chart, we're in 2-up mode, and we could be heading all the way up here into the 480s after that big green day 2 days ago. But for now, we're kind of not really above the midpoint of the prior day. We're just kind of holding inside of here, and it just didn't take off the way I think it should have after this kind of start. So just exiting break even, and I'll continue to watch it.